All right, good morning, and this is my Stirling fan replica from, they're supposed to be like an East India Company replica fan. Just came all the way from India. Box seems to be really good condition. Let's see how well it's packed up in here. Actually, all still one piece. I've seen some of them that came in individual pieces, like the fan wasn't even connected to the base of it. And here we go with the little alcohol burner. And the guys swore up and down that they'll guarantee that it comes in great shape. I have ordered a Stirling fan, or not a Stirling fan, but a Stirling motor that came from India about 5-6 years ago. And Customs actually dismantled the whole motor and left it in pieces. So when I got it, it was just totally destroyed. Everything about it was messed up. But this appears to have not seen the likes of Customs, obviously. And it looks very nice. Plastic bag off here without dropping this stuff. Don't know how much of me is still in the frame. One thing that was kind of funny was the seller trying to convince me that, all the time and money and materials he spent to build this, when all this stuff is just all manufactured by a company and he's just a distributor. But roll around here. Oh, yeah, I'm not very well framed. Let's get a little closer here. So I think I need to take this off. All right, so East India Company, 1845. Got a really nice, antique finish to it, and it's pretty solid. Whoops! I do see an issue right off the bat here. One of the fan blades, obviously, this cage. I got a bent fan blade here. This cage is like drooping, I guess. So the fan blades are actually, each one is kind of beat up, dented. So I'll have to tweak those a little bit before I operate this. Yeah, this blade here is all bent up, bent out of shape. So obviously, maybe in the shipping, some kind of weight came down on this cage and messed up the fan blades. So I will take off the cage before continuing and try to straighten the blades out. 2 of the 4 blades, this one here and this one here, if you can see that dent at the top, is kind of messed up. But overall, the rest of it appears to be in good condition. can't very well operate it yet. So I will take the cage off. Yeah, I've got a bad dent here. So I'm gonna take some pictures, send it to the shipper, and let them know that it came damaged. All right, for now, I'll get back to you in a little bit. All right, so I got some denatured alcohol in here. Light the flame. Carefully spin this around. Put that in there. Let's see if it's oh yeah, okay, it's up in there. Nice and centered. So I'm not sure how long this will need to sit and warm up. But in the meantime, I kind of was able to get the cage bent back straighter a little bit. This stuff is very soft metal, not very strong at all. Blades are very flimsy and very easy to bend. So I got it bent back to shape for the most part so that the blades spin without hitting the cage. And we'll give this a minute to warm up and see if I can get it cranking. Appearance wise, it looks pretty decent. Castings look all right. It seems to spin fairly smoothly. Machining looks pretty decent. Overall, I'm pleased, but for the price that they're asking for these things on eBay is definitely kind of little outrageous. I was able to talk this guy down quite a bit. Well, not quite a bit, but 10% on the original ad. When he finally got around to shipping, I asked him for another $100 off, and he said he'd give me $50 when it arrived. And just now, after showing him pictures of the unboxing and the damage, he agreed for another $100, or a total of $100 off. So originally it was like $560, I believe. No, like more like almost $600, and he gave me $50 off that price. What's that called? Make offer. There we go. So I made an offer, and we agreed on $550, and then afterwards it was $50 more off of that, and so now hopefully it's a total of $100, and we'll see if he actually gives me the $100 off. So it works. It's running smooth, fairly quiet. I saw somebody else's fan, they said they'll probably put a little oil hole here and here for the bearings, which might make it operate a little smoother and quieter. But it's working. It's definitely not, I feel a little air, but this is more just novelty. I like Stirling engines. I have a low temperature engine and another Stirling, and this is just like something cool. So that's it. But as far as the price goes on eBay, they're definitely way out of price. Some of them want $110 for shipping. This one actually stated free shipping, and the original ad said from Jamaica, New York. So that's one of the reasons why I bought this. It's like, well, I don't have to deal with anybody tearing this apart through customs, which turns out it came from India anyway. It seems like it's picking up a little speed. All right, thanks for watching.